So from what I've been told, so back again, those who are just coming in, this is Big Muscle, and today we're in the St. Petersburg area of Florida, and we're at the Boyd Nature Preserves, Boyd Hill Nature Preserves, where y'all saw some wildlife, and then we're gonna look for these alligators, okay? So, when we're on these trails, we gotta be extra cautious, take extreme care, because this is a nature preserve, okay? Anything could be anywhere. I would like to think that. And this is a relatively swamped area. So of course, I'm pretty sure there are snakes and a lot of different wildlife that's everywhere. That's important to keep in mind. You know, very important to keep in mind. That's the Florida oak. Now, eventually we're going to take it to the Florida Everglades. Yes. We're taking it to the Florida Everglades. So we can get different views and different sightings of wildlife in the area. Mainly coming down this trail. What we're trying to see is this trail, not that. Okay, so there's a sign, no entry. First entry project. And I'm pretty sure there are gators in these waters, okay? Keep that in mind. Trails that you're not familiar with. Here we go. I guess this guy earlier told me about this lake. Gators are located at Florida Gators. Now, doing these videos, you know, what I realize a lot of YouTubers do, you know, they cut up all types of videos and just put them together and just make whatever they make. But also, people are not seeing the ground stuff that they need to see. Why? Well, that's a simple thing. It's because they're not doing the work. The work is actually getting the ground level of things, this is true, and then observe and see what's really going on and how things really are, because the information you get online is limited, because there's very smart people who realize they can make an entire video about something expert, so they can do it. I'm a digital expert too, so I can do it, but I prefer to do the work and the real deal of what they came to see. listen to nature. No harm intended here, but I personally think that most water that you see sitting in Florida is a gator in there. You know what I mean? Live oak path. That's just a personal view. I think most water bodies that you see sit around in Florida, there's probably a gator in there. Okay, so this is just to give you a sneak peek of what it really is, and the preserves. But we're not prepared to do much more today. Then probably this is going to be it. Okay, and that's the poison ivy, Virginia creeper. Very similar, but not the same. All right, so Wax Myrtle Pond Trail. Let's see what this is. This area. Big shine object sitting ahead of